Good evening everyone. Today we will learn carrier to noise ratio of link budget in satellite communication. A measure of the performance of any satellite link is the ratio of carrier power to noise power at the receiver input. And link budget calculations are often concerned with the determining this ratio. The ratio is denoted by C by N or also known as CNR, that is carrier to noise ratio, which is also equivalent to PR by PN. We already learned that PR is the received power whereas PN is the noise power. So it is basically a ratio of PR to PN, that is received power signal to the noise power. So we can say that if we denote the carrier to noise ratio in the decibel format, it can be written as PR minus Pn, that is the dB value of received power minus dB value of the noise power. Now we have already discussed that the received power can be expressed in terms of EIRP as the addition of EIRP and gain of the receiver antenna minus losses. Now, talking about these losses, losses are various losses like free space losses, feeder losses, antenna pointing losses or antenna misalignment losses, also polarization losses and atmospheric absorption losses. So these losses represents all the losses during the link. Also we know that the noise power is given by the equation KTS Bn, where K is the Boltzmann constant, Ts is the system noise, and Pn is the noise bandwidth of the system. So, if we substitute the value of Pr and Pn in equation 1, it will be represented as C by N equals to EIRP plus GR minus losses minus dB value of Boltzmann constant minus decibel value of system noise and minus the decibel value of the noise bandwidth, which will represent as equation 2. Now, in this, we can see that there is a gain and there is a system temperature. So, this G by T ratio is a key parameter in specifying the receiving system performance. And therefore, the antenna gain GR and the system noise temperature TS of this equation specifically can be combined as G by T is nothing but GR by TS. So, if we substitute this value in the carrier to noise ratio equation, it will become C by N equals to EIRP plus G by T minus losses minus K minus Pn. Now, this Pn equals to KTS Pn can also be given by N0 Bn, where N0 is the noise spectral density. So, if we want a carrier to noise spectral density ratio, then it can be represented in terms of C by N plus Bn. So you have to always remember that C by N is the carrier to noise ratio, whereas C by N0 is the carrier to noise spectral density ratio. And C by N0 can be calculated by adding the noise bandwidth to the normal C by N ratio. The units of C by N0 is dB hertz. Always remember that. So finally, we got the C by N0, the C by N0 ratio as EIRP plus G by T minus losses minus K. So this is C by N0 ratio. Now, if we calculated it for the uplink, then we need to calculate it for uplink. That is EIRP for uplink, gain of a satellite antenna, losses during the uplink, and K is the constant. If it is downlink, then you have to use the subscript T for all this term. So this is nothing but the C by N ratio.